Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ram 1500 Classic SLT 4x4. It has a 5.7 liter V8 HEMI in it. And it's running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and take you for a tour. It does have the fixed running boards, alloy wheels, spray-on Bedliner, power sliding back window. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It does have gray fabric seats and HD floor mats. Additional power supply, cup holders in the rear. Here's a shot of the VIN right here. I'll add still shots of that as well. Okay, and as we look down here, you'll see that it only has 3,455 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your push to talk, your trip computer, and then you have your cruise control as well, your start, ignition, shifter, 2 and 4 wheel drive. As you come over here, you're going to see that it has both heated front seats and steering wheel. You also do have a 115 volt outlet right here. As you come up above, you're going to see that it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And here are your climate controls. Then your backup camera. You see that that does have backup guides as well. Here are your apps. You can jump to navigation, and then through your phone you'd have to have it paired in order for that to work, and then your settings. As you come up above, you got your map reading lights and your controls for your power sliding back window. That about wraps it up for this Ram on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here on the right hand side that resulted in damage on that right front quarter panel and the passenger rear quarter panel. Airbags deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.